So this is the very first style we are starting off with. Personally, I like this style. This is a style you can take to the office, you can rock it to a girl's night out, you can run errands with the hair, like it's giving what it's supposed to give. So you part the center of the hair, then roll the two sides. You roll it and hold it. Then use a band to hold it at the back, as I will demonstrate shortly. You hold it with a band. It is very, very necessary so that you can be able to fold it at the back, which you will see in this video. Yeah, that is me parting it. Then you hold it, you carefully grab it at the back, then fold and tuck in. You continue to tuck it in, making sure that everything is inside, is folded inside. Some twists are sticking out, you quickly grab them and tuck them in. You continue to tuck it in and part it. You fold, you tuck in, you part. Very nice hairstyle. Then for the very second look, this is a simple hairstyle you can rock to the market. You can use it in staying at home. You can use it to run a simple errand. It's just casual and very simple. Just grab the hair and pull it up a high bun and then secure it with a band. And you're good to go. Fluff it and you're good to go. Then bring out two strands in front. That is it. Moving on to the third style. Simply grab two sections from each side of your head. Grab two sections, then hold them at the middle on top of your head. Then take a band and secure it. Secure it nicely and tight, but be mindful of your edges. Now grab one twist, especially if the color of the band doesn't rhyme with the color of your hair. Then grab that single twist and wrap it around the band. Then tuck it in, then arrange your hair and part it. It's giving what it is supposed to give, isn't it? And then for this fourth style, all you have to do is to grab this small section that is on top of your head and wrap it round on top of your head. Then tuck the ends in, hide them, and part your head, and you are good to go to that party, to that event you are going to. You can also add some accessories to make it more beautiful. For this next type of hairstyle, it is ideal for when you want to look put together yet you don't want stress. So you quickly grab the hair after arranging it, then pack it into a low bun with your band, preferably a bigger band, and then you are good to go. Then bring out two twists in front to give it that, unique look. This next hairstyle is similar to that of style number 4, just that here we are pulling all the hair into a high bun. So first of all, you have to grab a section of the hair and pull it carefully to the top, then use the other palm and grab the rest. Secure it with a band and tuck the ends of the twists carefully, and you're good to go. For style number 7, you're going to fluff your hair in preparation for the type of style we are going to do. Then use your fingernails to comb through your hair and then part it. Make sure you arrange the hair well and then take your band and secure your hair down. This style is ideal for days when you want to review the length of your hair without letting them loose. For this particular style, this is my personal favorite. It gives off a hot girl vibe. All you have to do is to grab the hair and pull them up carefully and secure them with a band. Yes, pull the hair into a high bun, secure with a band and fold. You can fold it neatly or roughly. Personally, I like to fold it roughly, rough bun on top. Fold it and you are good to go. To achieve a seemingly rough bun, you have to grab a section of the twist that you've packed and then wrap it round and tuck in. Grab another section, wrap it round and tuck in until you're through with wrapping them all and you're good to go. So far, if you like the content, kindly leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. This is ideal for going to the office, for going to the beach, for going out, for almost everything. You can rock this hair to any occasion at all. For style number 9, you just have to tuck the 2 twists in front at the back and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.